Okay, hi everyone. Today I am going to discuss how to use may in English. Okay, may is called modal helping verb. So we will see how to use it, where to use it, and when to use it. So many people do not know how to use may in English. I am going to show you how to use may, okay, in English communication. And first of all, you need to understand may we use to ask permission. Okay, for asking permission we use may. ನಾವು ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಕೇಳಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಮೇ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ನೀವು ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಆಫೀಸಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನೀವು ಯಾರಿಗಾದ್ರೂ ಆಫೀಸರ್ ನೀವು ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಕೇಳಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಮೇ. ಓಕೆ, ನೀವು ಕಾಲೇಜ್ನಾಗ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್, ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ನಾಗ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್. ಓಕೆ, ವೆರೆವರ್ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಆಸ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಯು ಯೂಸ್ ಮೇ. ಓಕೆ, ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಕೇಳಕ್ ನಾವು ಮೇ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಜನರಿಗೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅದ. ಇವತ್ತು ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಶಾಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಕೇಳಕ್. ಶಾಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು ನಾವು. ಓಕೆ, ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಶಾಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಆಸ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಮೆನಿ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಸೇ ಶಾಲ್ ಐ ಗೋ, ಶಾಲ್ ಐ ಕಮ್, ಶಾಲ್ ಐ ಡ್ರಿಂಕ್ ಎ ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟರ್, shall I take this pen, shall I help you. So many people use shall for asking permission, but we should not use shall for asking permission. We should use may for asking permission. May is very suitable word. Okay, right? And I will show you situation to ask permission. To ask permission we use may. If for example I go to college, okay, and in college I want to meet the principal, and I should take his permission. If I want to meet principal, and if I want to meet him, if I want to just talk to the principal, I need to take his permission. Okay, and how I can take permission I will show you. Structure, you take may first, afterwards you use I plus v1 plus other word. Other word means any word you can use. One example, okay, excuse me, you can write excuse me sir or ma'am. If there is a ma'am you can use madam. If there is a sir you can say sir. Excuse me sir, may I come in? Yes, excuse me sir, may I come in, or may I get in? Excuse me sir, may I come in? This is the way of asking permission. Okay, ಈ ತರ ನೀವು ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. Excuse me sir, may I come in? Sir, ನಾ ಒಳಗೆ ಬರ್ಬೋದಾ? Excuse me sir, may I get in? Get in, come in same. Sir, now if for example, excuse me sir, may I receive this call? Excuse me sir, may I receive this call? ಸರ್, ಈ ಕಾಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ? ಈ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನೀವು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ನೇ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ರೈಟ್ ನೌ ಯು ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ and somebody is calling you again and again. You want to receive that call. If you want to receive that call, you should take your teacher permission. Okay, excuse me sir, may I receive this call? Sir, ಈ ಕಾಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ? ನೀವು ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರದ್ದು ಒಂದು ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಕೇಳಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಮೇ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಆಫಿಷಿಯಲಿ ನಾವು ಮೇ ಪ್ರಿಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ನೀವು ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಗೆ ಹೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ಗೆ ಹೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಕಾಲೇಜ್ನ ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ನ ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಯು ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಎನಿ ಆಫೀಸ್, so you can ask permission. But when you are asking permission, you don't forget to use may. Don't say shall, don't use shall. Sir, shall I come in? No. Okay, so lots of students ask shall, but shall we use in different situation. Okay, we will discuss shall in next class. I will explain shall in next class. Today I am discussing may. One more, okay, example, may I. Okay, sir, may I take your pen? May I take your pen? Sir, nim pen na tagoboda. If for example you don't have pen, okay, and you want to take my pen, you should take my permission. Excuse me sir, may I take your pen? Sir, nim pen tagoboda. ಈ ತರ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರದ್ದು ಒಂದು ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಕೇಳಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಮೇ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ನಾವು ಮೇ ತಗೋಬೇಕು, ಆಫ್ಟರ್ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಐ ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕು, v1 ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಬೇಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ v1 v2 v3 ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. Okay, for example, I go to SBI bank because I want to meet manager. In bank, what I do, I just If I want to meet the manager, I should take his permission. Excuse me, sir, may I get in? Like this. Excuse me, sir, may I sit here? Excuse me, sir, may I talk to you? Excuse me, sir, may I discuss with you? Like this. Excuse me, sir, may I take your pen? Means whenever I want to ask permission, I need to use may. Okay. I hope you understood, all of you. And I would like to request all of you, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. So if you subscribe our channel, we will upload everyday videos for learning English, so that it will help all of you. And please, you don't forget to share this video with your friends and family members. They will also get benefit of these videos. Thank you.